Hello friends, welcome back for the lecture series of engineering mechanics. In previous lecture, we have learned the different formulas required to find out the radial and transverse coordinates. Velocity along the radial direction, velocity along the transverse direction, and acceleration along the radial and transverse direction. That formula we have learned. So today we are going to solve by using some that formulas. We have to solve some numericals. So let's begin with the first numerical. A slider block P along bar OA and rotate about point pivot O. The angular position of bar is given theta is equal to 0.4 plus 0.12 t plus 0.06 t cube, and the position of slider is given r is equal to 0.8 minus 0.1 t minus 0.05 t square. Determine the velocity and acceleration of the slider at t is equal to 2 seconds, where r is in meter and t is in second and theta is in radians. So again I will read out the problem for you. A slider block P along a bar OA. This is slider which is along the rod OA and rotate about the pivot O. It is along with this rod, it is rotating along this pivot point O. The angular position of this rod, that is theta, is equal to is given by 0.4 plus 0.12 t plus 0.06 t cube, and the position of the slider along this rod is given by the equation r is equal to 0.8 0.1 t minus 0.05 t square. So these two data is given and they have asked us to find out the velocity when t is equal to 2 seconds. Now r is given, theta is given. Our aim is to find out we have to find out the total v. So first we have to find out the r dot, that is the derivative of r with respect to time t. So derivative of r with respect to time t, derivative of 0.8 will be 0, minus 0.1 t, that is minus 0.1, minus 0.05 t square, that derivative is 0.05 into 2 into t, that will 0.1 t. Then d square r upon dt square, that is double derivative of r, that is we have to differentiate r dot with respect to t. So that will give you the answer minus 0.1. So now we have find out the VR and double derivative of VR, or r dot and r double dot. Similarly we have to find out theta dot and theta double dot. So theta is given, differentiate the theta with respect to t, that will give you the theta dot. That will derivative of constant is 0, so 0.12 t derivative is 1, so 0.12 plus 0.06 multiplied by 3 into t square, that is 0.18 t square. So this is the your derivative of theta, that is theta dot. This is value of theta dot. Then again differentiate will give you the theta double dot. So again derivative of constant is 0. So 0.18 into 3. So I think that is, I will write down here 0.18 into 3 into t cube. This is the derivative of theta double dot. So now we have to find out v and a at t is equal to 2 seconds. Now r is known. Now at t is equal to 2 seconds, r is equal to 0.4. Substitute the value of t is equal to 2 in this equation, you will get the position at a time t is equal to 2 seconds, that is 0.4. Now theta is given, then we have to find out the theta dot. So from that you will get this value. Now we have to find out the theta at theta at 2 seconds. That will give you the 0.84 radian per second theta dot, and the theta double dot, just 1 minute, theta double dot, no, it is wrong. So it is, I will calculate for you. So that will be 0.54 into t cube. So now we have to find out theta double dot at 36. Sorry for that. Now theta is given. So theta dot is 0.12 into 0.18 t square, and then theta double dot is 0.36. This is 0.36, 0.36 into t. So it is 0.72 radian. That is correct, but here I have written the wrong derivative. The derivative of this I will write down here for you. Theta double dot is the differentiate this equation again, so that will give you the 0.36 into t. This is the derivative of theta double dot, 0.36 t. Now we have to find out the theta double dot at t is equal to 2 seconds. Substitute the value t is equal to 2 seconds over here, so that will be comes out to be 0.72 radian per second square. Now VR, velocity component, first we are going to find out. R dot we have already find out. What is the value of R dot? That is minus 0.3 meter per second, and V theta, R theta dot, that we have to find out. So R is 0.4 at t is equal to 2, at theta dot is 0.84 at t is equal to 2. So you will get the V theta is this value. Then find out the total V by substituting the value in this formula. So you will get the total velocity V 0.45 meter per second. Its direction you can easily find out, but tan theta is equal to V theta upon VR. So you will get the direction with respect to VR. Now here VR is negative and V theta is positive. So you can conclude that it is in which quadrant? Second quadrant, yes. The problem first is, now we are going to continue. Now we have to find out AR. For finding out AR, the formula is R double dot minus R theta dot square. So AR at t is equal to 2. So what is the value we have find out? R double dot at t is equal to 2, that is minus 0.1. R at t is equal to 2, 0.4. Theta double dot at t is equal to theta dot at t is equal to 2 is 0.84 bracket square. So from that you will get the value of AR minus 0.38 meter per second square. Now to find out the A theta, the formula is twice R dot theta dot plus R theta double dot. Substituting the values A theta for t is equal to 2, whatever the values we have find out of R dot, theta dot, R and theta dot at t is equal to 2, substitute over here from the previous slide. So you will get the value of A theta is minus 0.246 meter per second square. Now AR is known, A theta is known, substitute this value in this formula, so you will get the value of acceleration. Okay, so quite simple problem. You have to just remember the formulas and substitute the values. Now second numerical. A car travels along a circular track such that its transverse component is 0.3 theta is equal to 0.006 t square radian. Determine the radial and transverse component of velocity and acceleration at t is equal to 4 seconds. To find out v and a component at t is equal to 4 seconds. So theta is equal to 0.006 t square. Put t is equal to 4 seconds, theta is equal to 5.5 degree. Now first find out the theta dot. Now theta is given, from that you can find out the theta dot, that's derivative of this theta. So that will give you the 0.12 t. Substitute t is equal to 4 seconds, you will get theta dot at t is equal to 4 seconds, that's 0.48 radian per second. Now again differentiating this equation, you will get the 0.12 radian per second. This is the value also at t is equal to 4 seconds. Now r is equal to 400 cos of theta. Put theta is equal to 5.5 degree. So r is equal to 398.16 meter. So here r is given 400 cos of theta in meter. Substitute theta is equal to 5.5 degree in this equation, you will get the value of r. Now r dot, so differentiation of this equation, cos derivative minus sine theta, theta dot. So minus 400 sine of theta, theta dot. Substituting the values at theta is equal to 5.5 degree. So minus 400 sine of 5.5 into 0.048, because we have already find out the value of theta dot. So from that you will get the value of r dot is minus 1.84 meter per second. Then again you have to differentiate this equation in order to find out r double dot, that is minus 400 cos of theta, theta dot into theta dot, plus, so this is theta dot is constant, we have to just differentiate this equation. Okay, so here we have used the u into v formula. Okay, so minus cos of theta, theta dot, derivative of second is theta double dot. So here derivative of u into v. So first we have take the derivative of u, then v is constant, and second we have to keep the derivative of v and u is as it is. Now putting all the terms, so you will get the value of r is r double dot is minus 1.367 meter per second square. Here substitute the value of theta 5.5, theta dot 0.48, and theta double dot is we have already find out, that is 0.12. All the values you have to substitute and calculate that, so you will get r double dot is minus 1.367. So r dot is known, r double dot it is known, then theta is known, theta double dot is also known. Then we have to find out the radial component of velocity. What is that component? R dot, that is minus 1.84 meter per second. Now transverse component of velocity is v theta is equal to r theta dot. So substitute the value of r 398.16, theta dot we have already calculated, that is 0.48. So from that you will get the value of r v theta. Substitute in this formula value of vr and v theta, though you will get the total component of velocity total velocity is v at t is equal to 4 seconds. Now we have to find out the acceleration. So for acceleration we are having the formulas. Radial component of acceleration ar is equal to r double dot minus r theta dot bracket square. Now ar is equal to r double dot minus 1.367, that we have already find out at t is equal to 4 seconds, r 398.17 and theta dot is 0.48, and whose square we have to find out. Then from that you will get the value of ar Similarly, what is the formula? A theta twice r dot theta dot plus r theta double dot. Substituting the each values that we have already find out in last slide. So from that you will get the value of a theta. Substitute the value of ar and a theta in this equation. So you will get the total a 5.13 meter per second square. That is the total acceleration. This is the radial component of acceleration, this is the transverse component of acceleration, and this is your total acceleration. So these are some important points. Sometimes in examination these terms are directly given, d theta upon dt, that is theta dot is given, theta double dot is given, then transverse component, radial component is also given of velocity, that is r dot, r double dot is given. So just we have to choose this component and find out the given values at required time and substitute in the formula and find out the your required answer. So friends, thus we have solved these two numericals. These two numericals also enough in order to understand this concept.